Hey guys, besides the normal barbecue chicken, your hot dogs, your hamburgers, your salads, and salt potatoes, I'm going to do a little bit something the box today too. I have some beer batter breading, and I'm going to put some panko crumbs in there. And I got some razor clams that we're going to batter, and we're going to deep fry them out on the grill for some clam rolls. Just gonna get a little color on these chicken thighs on the skin side. Then we're gonna baste them with a barbecue sauce that has spiced rum in it. Yeah, because Mama needs a little drink too. Yeah, ready for this? I'm not even gonna use a baster. I'm just gonna go like that. Ooh, can you see it? Alright. Just like that. Hey guys, I had a little change in the ROE, so we put it on the burner, and I'm going to transfer it over to a dish and meet you guys inside. Alright y'all, the girls ate their dinners today, so they're getting a little treat cookie. Lily likes it, yum. Okay, how about Lotus? Oh, you get a 4th of July treat too. Boogers. Yummy. It's about to go down, down, down. Listen, this chicken is amazing. Captain Morgan on anything is amazing. So, we have our clams, our rolls, our salad. Happy 4th of July, y'all.